Hello, hello. What's up? Well, my name is JRE. This is 88 Rising Radio and Sirius XM. Welcome.
Hi.
We have amazing and talented guests. We got TXT and Ian Dior. What was the creative process or the creating process of Valley of Lies?
Oh.
If you could get a little bit into that.
It was like my first time writing English lyrics.
Correct.
So it was kind of hard, and it took like 2 weeks.
Yeah, wait, I didn't know that was your first time writing English lyrics.
Yeah, it was my first time.
That's insane.
Yeah.
You did great.
Oh, thank you so much. And it was so good experience to me, and we definitely have to collaborate again too.
Yeah, of course.
100%.
It was so cool.
Oh, so another collab maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be
Maybe in the
great.
future?
Yeah.
Any genres that you want to try?
Later we want to try like strong hip hop.
Yeah, strong hip hop,
Ooh.
rock.
Or like future R&B.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yay.
I do.
Anybody else?
Maybe one day just Tomorrow by Together can be some one genre.
Oh, like their own genre.
Yeah.
Yeah, own genre.
That is possible.
Yeah.
Reinvent the whole genre of
Mhm.
music.
Definitely one of my more nervous interviews. What a start to a new year. I mean, it's TXT. That was just a little bit of the interview. If you want to watch the full video, it'll be on my new channel, Dre Day, which we get more in depth with their like creative process or just them in general. I know during this time Bumgyu was a little sick, or this is right before they performed in Lollapalooza. This is when this whole interview happened, or this opportunity, this meeting, this chaos. I never thought of myself as an interviewer, but I do like to talk to people. I like to have conversations. And basically that's what we did. And you guys can see it in a new video on my new channel, Dre Day. If you haven't already subscribed to the new channel, please do, because there's gonna be more videos like that over there. More vlogish videos will be more on Dre Day. That's what I think. Whether it be my friends, celebrities, you know, just like content creators, or just like anyone in general. It could be y'all. I want to interview you guys. But yeah, go subscribe to Dre Day. Go check out the full video at Dre Day. See you to the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.